how to fix lines on Android screen. To fix lines on Android screen, in today's video, we are going to start with software troubleshooting first of all. So let's just start. First of all, you can just go ahead and restart your phone. So long press on your power button for that, and you should be finding a menu pop up on your screen. From the given menu, you can select the option of restart, and that should often fix the temporary glitches causing the lines issue on your device. Apart from that, we need to ensure that our phone's software is also up to date as manufacturers often release fixes for display issues in new versions. So we can go to settings for that, open up our device's settings and scroll to the given options and find the option for software update. So just go ahead and tap on it and you can check for updates. And if there is any kind of update available, you can just go ahead and install it and reboot your device. That should also sometimes help you with the issue. The next thing we can do is we can go ahead and perform a factory reset. So if software issues are suspected, a factory reset returns your phone to its original settings. So we can go to settings for that, open it up, and we can directly search for factory settings. Use the search and type in reset, factory data reset and tap on it. Once you find it up, you can just go ahead and tap on this option called Factory Data Reset. And remember that this action can erase all of your data, so back up any kind of important files and photos before proceeding. Once you back up, you can tap on Factory Data Reset and you just need to go ahead and confirm it. And once it is confirmed, all the data will be erased from your device, including the software issue that may be causing the lines on your Android screen. And if none of the software steps resolve the issue, the problem is likely a hardware one. So you can take your phone to a repair store, a center, or even contact your phone's support team for further assistance, and they should help you out. So that is it, guys. You may follow up this method in order to fix your lines on your Android screen. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.